Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanoa, and if you're new here, hey. So I feel like I'm always coming on here like really crusty. I got water dripping all over my shirt. I just washed my hair, and it's pretty late, and I'm about to do this style. Hopefully I can finish in time because I gotta wake up early in the morning. So yeah, but in this video I'm gonna be doing the boho braids on my hair. I've seen like a lot of like girls with like looser curl patterns and like a little bit longer hair do it. I haven't seen that many girls with like my hair texture and my hair length do it, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and hopefully it comes out cute. Actually, I know it's gonna come out cute. I'm just gonna start off by moisturizing my hair. It's really, oh my gosh, my hair is so soft. Wow. So I did like a hair mask today with like, dripping with eggs, honey, mayo, and oil. Oh my gosh, my hair loved it. I used to do those hair masks all the time when I was like transitioning to natural hair, and then I stopped once I like did the big chop, which I don't know why, because my hair absolutely loves it. Like, she literally ate it all up. She ate it all up. But I'm just gonna start off by moisturizing my hair because I don't want my hair drying out, and I want this style to look really moisturized, and I want my curls to just pop. But yeah, I wish you guys can feel it. Like, it's so soft, so soft. So a lot of the girls that I saw doing this hairstyle started off with blow dried stretched hair, and I'm starting off with like wet damp hair. So, and it's obviously not blow dried, so I hope it turns out, you know, good. I feel like they probably started off with blow dried hair so that the roots could look a lot nicer or like more sleek, but I don't really mind, and I don't really want to go through the process of blow drying my hair right now, so I'm gonna start off by parting in the back, and I honestly don't want to make them that small either, so, because Lord knows my hair be taking forever for me to do, and I'm just not about that, you know. But here I go with my first braid. See how this turns out. This is taking a lot longer than I expected, but I have one side done. So it's looking like I'm already tired. want to do this anymore. I have these and this. Oh my gosh. What did I get myself into? A lot of the girls that I saw doing this hairstyle, they would like put the piece of hair in their mouth, and personally, I just can't do that. But all I do is just put it out and keep twisting or braiding. Done. Now all I need to do is define my curls, and that will be it. But you guys, look, I'm very excited to see how it turns out. I'm very excited. What is this? Like, I'm really out here wondering, contemplating whether or not the girls lied. Because, like, no. This is not it. This is not it. I'm sorry. It's just... no. Granted, my hair is very crunchy right now from like the gel and stuff like that, so that probably explains why it's like so flat and stuff, because day one hair is never good anyways to me. But I don't know, maybe it's the gel, maybe it's the gel cast, because like, let me see if y'all can like hear the crunch. Flakes. But yeah, there's like a gel cast on it, which probably explains why it's so flat. But girl, no. I don't like it. I don't like it. Let me see. Let me see if I could do some cute styles real quick. No. I'll be back in a couple days when my hair starts acting right, because currently, no. I'll be back. All right, so it's been a couple days. It's been like 2 or 3 days, I think. and my hair has had some time to basically just rest in the style, do what it needs to do. And honestly, I'm liking it a lot better now. Like, I think the next time I do this hairstyle, I'll like leave out more hair so that my hair can have more curls in it, and so that it could be more bigger, because I think that's one thing I don't really like about it, how flat it is. But it's cute, you know, it's cute. I like it. It's something different than I've done before, and it's cute. But did my edges a little bit, and yeah, this is the final look. All right, so one of the hairstyles that I like doing is the good old scarf on your head. Like, look at that, it looks so cute. Hold on, let me tie it real quick. Yeah, I think this hairstyle looks really, not a hairstyle, I think the scarf on it looks really cute. It's like nice and like summery, and it's just a vibe. I love it. And then another style we can do with this is just a good old up down situation. You can either put it in a bun or just let it go, and I think that also looks just really cute. I love it. And the last style that I think would look really cute would be just a regular bun on top of your head. So just a regular bun, and you can like leave some down in the back, in the front. Like, this is really cute too. I love it. This hairstyle, I would definitely do it again, but next time, like I said, I would just leave out more pieces of hair. But it's cute either way. I really like it. But this is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.